In this video, we're going over how to add credentials to a user in PDK.io. Let's start by going to the People page. Select the profile of the user you want to assign the credential to. Click the button labeled Add Credential. From here, you can choose to assign a card or mobile credential. Let's start with the card credential, which refers to physical credentials like prox cards and key fobs. Enter the number printed on the physical credential into the card number field, and enter the facility code if applicable. Then you can fill out the optional description field to describe the type of credential you have added. Click Submit and you're done. Now let's look at adding a mobile credential. Once you select mobile, you can decide if you want to use the user Bluetooth credentials, mobile app credentials, or both. Toggle which credential options you prefer and click Submit. The user will then receive an email with instructions for how to activate their credential. And just like that, you've added a credential. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.